Imagine this. You're in your 30s feeling totally fine, then bam, colon cancer. Sounds rare, right? But it's not. Colon cancer rates in young adults have been quietly doubling, and now scientists may finally know why. In today's video, we'll break down this mysterious rise, reveal a shocking new discovery from Nature magazine on the potential cause, and show you how your grocery cart might play a bigger role than you think. Stick around. This could change the way you think about your gut, your food, and your long-term health. Colon cancer used to be something you worried about after 50, but today, it's becoming the #1 cancer killer in men under 50, and #2 for women in the same group, with cases more than doubling in the last 2 decades among adults under 50. Doctors are seeing patients in their 20s and 30s being diagnosed with late-stage cancer, often without any family history or warning signs. So what's going on? A new study is helping us to understand just that. Enter a bacterial villain hiding in plain sight. A 2025 Nature magazine study analyzed 981 colorectal cancer genomes from patients in 11 countries and found something wild: a DNA-damaging toxin called colibactin, produced by certain strains of E. coli, leaves behind a specific genetic fingerprint called SBS88. This colibactin signature was over 3 times more common in patients under 40 than in those over 70. Even more surprising? The damage often occurred early in tumor development, suggesting the exposure could have happened in childhood. And here's the kicker. Colibactin-related mutations were linked to about 1 in 4 changes in the APC gene, which is a key trigger for cancer growth. So exposure to E. coli early in life could be the cause, but how does it happen? The researchers point to produce, yes, fruits and vegetables, as a likely route. Contaminated during farming or handling, raw produce could introduce colibactin-producing E. coli into your gut without you even knowing it. This doesn't mean stop eating salad, but, it does highlight how early life exposure to gut-disrupting microbes might be part of the puzzle. And yeah, it really highlights the importance of cleaning any raw produce before eating it. While colibactin may be a hidden culprit, it's not the only factor. Other risks include diets low in fiber, high in red or processed meats, sedentary lifestyles, excess alcohol, and smoking. All of these may increase your chances of developing colorectal cancer. Interestingly, studies also suggest a connection between low vitamin D levels and higher colon cancer risk. So, safe sun exposure, vitamin D-rich foods, or supplements might be worth exploring. And here's something empowering. Early screenings work. New guidelines recommend starting colonoscopies at age 45 or earlier if you have risk factors. Don't wait for symptoms. So what can you actually do to protect yourself? Let's keep it simple. Wash your produce thoroughly and consider cooking fruits and vegetables for young children. In Chinese culture, vegetables tend to be blanched in boiling water for a couple of minutes instead of eaten raw. A quick cook can help to kill bacteria while still maintaining a crunchy texture. Also, aim for a high-fiber diet and support your gut microbiome. Healthy gut bacteria can outcompete E. coli, reducing the risk it will be able to replicate and stay inside the body. Avoid processed foods, stay active, and keep an eye on your vitamin D intake. And of course, talk to your doctor about early screenings, especially if you have a family history. And remember, gut health starts young. What you feed your body and your microbiome matters. This new discovery about colibactin gives us one more piece of the puzzle in understanding why colon cancer is hitting younger people so hard. It's not about fear, it's about knowledge and using it to stay ahead. For more details, check out the recent Nature study linked in the description below, along with other scientific studies referenced in today's video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to see it. And of course, subscribe for more science-backed health breakdowns that empower you to take charge of your wellness. We post new videos weekly. And remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional for medical advice. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you next time.